Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about audio. Audio is an important aspect of filmmaking, videoing, and anything in general. But what's the main problem that we all face? And that's distractions. We talked about it a little bit with our little studio video, and we've talked about it when we feature off studio microphones. But what happens when you're in the field? That is a whole nother scenario. You could be in a building with echo. You could be too far from your subject in which you can't separate their audio from the rest. And this is Rode's wireless solution to wirelessly transmit your audio from your camera to your subject. Number one, it could be a wireless lav. Fits under your shirt, goes on top of your shirt, and separates that subject from everyone else. It's been used in a lot of films. It's been used in all of our real estate videos that I make for Brad McCallum Real Estate. The second way that you can use this is on a boom arm. So if you have a directional shotgun microphone, like some people use on their popular DSLR cameras, you can put that at the end of a pole, connect this on, and it wirelessly syncs and transmits the audio directly to your camera. What stood out for me is not only Rode's reputation of having good microphones, but also the fact that it's a very simplistic system. The fact that it's plastic and it's built well, these little clips go into the top of a hot tube camera, and if you've ever been outside on top of the mountain going hiking with wind, it is terrible to even have good audio from your phone camera, doesn't matter what it is. And these take all of that away so that your audio is crystal clear. Alright, so now we're gonna go from the Shure MV7 to the Rode Wireless Go. But hold on, you're probably getting the pops. Peter pecked a pop of picked peppers, I know. Terrible. Let's put the wind muff. Welcome to the YouTube channel. The thing about this wireless system is it not only works now, but how about now? Huh? How about now? Can you hear me now? Okay, so apparently this has a 70-meter range, which is pretty darn far. So we're gonna test that out right now. So this is about good 40-50 meters away from the camera. How does my voice sound? Can you hear me very well? And yet again, it is clipped onto the side of my backpack. I do not have any lavalier connected to this. This is just the onboard microphone. Let's see how it does. We're gonna be... What's up, editing room? Tyson here. Let's quickly explain what's going on right here in this clip. So I'm getting to around 70 meters in range. Then it starts to get a little bit choppy. Honestly, for downtown Calgary, that is excellent. 7 hours of battery life. And with the addition of USB Type-C, it means that you can easily plug it in when you're running low on battery and you're good to go for hours. The pairing process takes less than 3 seconds. Each button has its own designed use. For example, the variable decibel button works excellently for those low, mid, and high audio moments. So not only does it have a built-in microphone, it's also super compact, which means you can leave it on top of your camera when you're doing extra gimbal work. You can leave it in your talon's pocket and won't have to worry about wrecking it when you sit or moving around. And altogether, it makes it a highly recommendable product. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, the links will be down in the description. We'll see you in the next one.